Hello everyone, excited to be presenting to you the updated Chrome extension for Pippen. So I'm going to show you first how it works and then we can go over how to install it. So I have it installed here and it's in this section that you can access. And the first step is to log in. So I'm going to just click login and we'll go ahead and do this. You typically just need to do this at the beginning of the day. Afterwards, let's say you're on the browser-based EMR like Oscar, or you're on the web already. You can access Pippin by just clicking this. So now that I'm logged in, I can just begin an audio encounter. So we'll click on Start Audio Encounter. And we're going to go ahead and give a hypothetical example. But first, you can tell that the recording is in progress. You see the REC here for recording in progress. And then you also see this red circle here indicating that this is recording. So you're talking to your patient. So let's say we have a patient coming in for a diabetes visit. They've had their labs already and they're doing well. Their A1C is at target, 6.4%. Their LDL is also at target, 1.8. We did their blood pressure today, which was excellent at 110/70. We did a foot exam, which was normal. They We recommended that they see an optometrist for a vision checkup, and we confirmed and renewed their medication. They're on metformin, 1,000 milligram BID, as well as Crestor 10 milligram daily. So we renewed those medications, and the plan is to follow up in 4 months with repeat blood work. So let's go ahead and submit the audio encounter. And you'll see that the recording symbol is removed. There's a yellow button that came up, which indicates that the note is being generated. And very quickly, the green button also came up, which indicated that the note is ready, so literally within seconds. So now that I have that indicator there, let's go to the EMR and just all we have to do is paste it. So the note is there. All the details that we talked about are captured. And that's it. And then I can move on to my next patient. So I go, back to the browser, and I can just begin a new audio encounter. And you'll see the red circle is on, the recording is on, and then I can just submit the audio encounter and get the note. And you'll see that there's a yellow button came in, and then a green button came in, and then my note is ready. So it's a very seamless process. It works really well. Now, in order to install it, I'm just going to go ahead and show you how to do that very quickly. You have to go to the Chrome Web Store, and under the search extensions, you're going to select Pippen AI, and you'll see it come up. So if I select that, so mine is already installed. If it's not there, you just have to click install. And once that happens, make sure you click on this button here and pin the Pippen one. So right now mine is unpinned. If I remove it, it's gone here, and then I just have to pin it. And now it shows up on my browser. I hope that helps, and if you have any questions, please reach out to us. Thanks so much.